Hey everybody, I wanted to make a quick video announcement about your methods drafts. Um, Basically, I've skimmed several of them and you all don't want me to grade what you've uploaded. There's a lot of errors. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to give you kind of a reset button. You have written a draft. You've gotten a peer to edit that draft. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new Dropbox, and you can now take that file that's been edited by your peer and you can watch a video that I'm going to create about how to make a better method section, and then you can make those improvements and give me a new document, and I will only grade that new document rather than the ones that you have already uploaded. Some of the things that I've noticed is that I don't think everyone is reading all of the information that are on the assignment sheets. For example, not the method, but the topic assignment, there was a thing at the bottom that talked about the articles and what it said in there. And I've talked to at least two of you who didn't realize that this was written on that document, that if you didn't use the articles from that topic assignment in your final project, so not necessarily the methods, but in the final thing that you upload at the end of the semester, if you didn't use the articles from that topic assignment, it is minus 4 points per article. Well, minus 4 points per article is a lot of points because there are 4 articles in your topic assignment, so 4 times 4 is 16. That's an automatic 16 deduction before I even ever look at your final project. So it's really important that you pay attention to some of the details that are written on your rubrics. For example, on the rubric for the method section, it said that you could have penalties if you didn't do several things. One of them is, it's a proposal. So as a proposal, the whole thing needs to be written in future tense. If you write it in present or past tense, it's an automatic 10-point deduction. The assignment's only worth 40 points. So now you're already a 30 out of 40. In addition to not writing it in future tense, you could also lose 10 points if you didn't include a reference page or a title page. If there's no reference or title page, that's another 10 points off. Well, so that's now 20 points of a 40-point project, right? And then the last one is if you didn't include some of the subsections. So if you didn't have a participant subsection, if you didn't have a material subsection, if you didn't have a procedure subsection, if you didn't have a proposed analysis subsection, it's 10 points off again. So, like I said, I've skimmed several of them and already had several students who would get not only just one of these, but some of you who would get 2 and 3 of these 10-point deductions. That would dramatically affect your grade on these method assignments. So instead, what I'm doing is right after I finish making this video, I'm going to make a video that's going to go through the rubric and is going to talk about how you can make the best methods section for your project. That way you can watch that video and then take your document that's been peer edited, make all of those changes and prove it, and then give me a brand new document, and that's the document I'll actually grade. Hopefully that will help out a whole bunch. After the method, you're going to get feedback on that method, and then the next thing you write is a draft of your literature review, which also has to be peer reviewed, so make sure you stay in contact with your classmates so that you can swap papers again, okay? Hopefully this will help everybody out. That way people aren't going to make 50s and 40s percents on these assignments, and that it will give you a chance to actually, you can give me a document that shows your best effort, okay? Let me know if you have any questions about that. I'll see you on the internet.